I'm Frank Petrenga, head of the LATE project, and this is a quick tutorial on the dorm move-in checklist. This is a free tool for any college student to use to create a checklist for all the items you need to move into your dorm, as well as track your packing progress. Using it is pretty simple. You can simply add categories, and we have some recommended ones here, but you can add whatever you like. And under the categories, you can add items. Items consist of a title and a count, that count being the number of that item that you would bring. So I'll add some example items here, say 2 pillows and 2 bed sheets. Of course, you'd have a lot more items than that, and a lot more categories in this. And I'll show a completed one in a moment. And let's say some jeans and sweatpants. While you're in edit mode, you can add items. You can change the count of items already added, remove items, reorder items by dragging, reorder categories by dragging, remove categories, and minimize categories. Once you're done editing, you can click save. You can always go back and forth between editing simply by toggling it. This might be what a finished list looks like. So once you're done editing it, you can now use it. So when you actually go to pack your items, you can track with the checkboxes which items you have packed. This is saved on the device that you created on, so if you use your phone to create the list, you can refresh and it'll always be there. And it will save your packing progress. Thanks for watching.